Hello everyone, welcome to my RSK3 video page, Research for Decision Making. I am Chen Yu. My student number is 344802. For this topic, we have three research questions. First, is there a gender difference, namely rational, dependent, intuitive, spontaneous, and avoidant? Second, is there a relationship between business students' decision-making style and their business experiences? Third, what factors may generatively influence the decision-making processes of management team in your internship company? First, let's go to the literature review. In order to clarify what is decision-making styles, we used the theory of Scott and Bruce, who said that there are 5 independent styles used by military officers when making decisions. They are rational, intuitive, dependent, avoidant, and spontaneous. And according to 2 articles published in 2005 and 2007, past experience and age may be the factors that influence the decision making. Then, according to another journal, it says older age will prefer intuition style, while rational decision making will decline. And they also argued that there is no significant gender difference in decision making styles. Then move to the methodology part. In this research, we will look deep into 4 layers of the research onion: their research philosophy, approaches, strategies, and data collection and analysis. First, we want to see the research philosophy. For this research, it will take the combination of positivism and interpretivism. The positivism is mainly for the quantitative research. According to the Descombe, describes how for the positives, the aim of social research is to discover the patterns and the regularities of the social world by using the kind of scientific methods used to such good effect in natural sciences. And interpretivism is mainly for the qualitative research. According to the Levercy, the interpretivist methodology links towards the collection of qualitative data and used methods such as unstructured interview and participant observation that provides this type of data. Then is the approach. Inductive research will be used in this research. Inductive reasoning begins with detailed observations of the world, which moves toward more abstract generalizations and ideas. And in this research, we will from the tests to the pattern and then to the theory. And for the strategies, there are two strategies we will use. They are the qualitative research, we will use the interview, and the quantitative research, and we will use the survey. And let's first looking at the quantitative research. Quantitative research is the interview. We use the convenience sampling, and we get 2 interviewees. There are 1 male and 1 female. And the structured interview is adopted. We have 10 predetermined questions, and then the data analysis is by Atlas ATI 8.0. Let's see. There is a table, and it's for the interview information. There are 2 interviewees. One is the 23-year-old Chinese male, and he is a bachelor student and living in Groningen. And the second one is a 25-year-old Chinese female. She is also a bachelor student. And the interview is located in Groningen, and the duration is 25 minutes. Both two interviews have the videotape, and the approach is face-to-face. Let's see the results of their interview. This result is the answer for the research question 3, the factors that influence decision making. According to the research, we can see in the Atlas TI's analysis, the time pressure means the limited time. In the intuition, it means the personal factors. Age means the life experience, and the social relationship means the advice from others. Both all these four factors have the negative influence on decision making. Then let's move to the quantitative research. In this research, we use the survey as our method. The sampling method is the simple random sampling. There are 142 valid respondents, and the questionnaire was designed by Scott and Bruce. And data analysis is by SPSS. For the reliability checking, the index is Cronbach alpha. We can see there is listed in the table the alpha value of an intuitive is 0.624. For independent is 0.562. For rational is 0.659. For avoidant is 0.663. For spontaneous is 0.734. And then the result of the survey. See the research question 1. Is there gender difference regarding business students' decision-making styles? We have two hypotheses here. The hypothesis 0, there is no insignificant gender difference between business students' decision-making styles. And the hypothesis 1, there is a significant gender difference regarding business students' decision-making style. And we run the hypothesis in the dependent t-test. And we can see the intuitive, the significant is 0.699. The independent is 0.649. The rational is 0.787. And for the two tails, the avoidant is 0.292. The spontaneous is 0.426. So the hypothesis 0 is approved. And the result is there is no gender difference between business students' decision-making styles. And for the next question, is there a relationship between business students making decision styles and their business experience? Also, we have two hypotheses here. The hypothesis 0 is there is no relationship between business students' decision-making styles and their business experience. Then the hypothesis 1, there is relationship between business students' decision-making styles and their business experiences. Run the hypothesis by one-way ANOVA, and we can see the significance of an intuitive is 0.521. For the independent is 0.805. For rational is 0.546. For avoidant is 0.433. For spontaneous is 0.155. All the significance is bigger than the 0.05, so the hypothesis 0 is approved, and the result is there is no relationship between business experience and the decision-making style. And last, as conclusion, we get the three answers for the research question. And the first one is there is no gender difference between business students' making decision styles. And the second one is there is no relationship between business experience and the decision-making style. And the third one is the time pressure, age, social relations, and the personal factors have a negative influence on decision making. And here is the reference for this research. Thank you for watching.